Harbor, a place of safety that guides ships through storms to reach their destination. MIT Harbor serves the same purpose for working professionals, providing a safe haven that guides you through the challenges of your personal and professional journey. Hello, I'm Trupti Kulkarni, psychologist and wellness specialist at MIT Harbor, a student-centric initiative by MIT School of Distance Education. As the lead for MIT Harbor, I work to help learners like you balance the many demands of work, studies, and personal life. Our learners often face the challenge of juggling fast-paced jobs, family responsibilities, and academic pressures, which can sometimes feel overwhelming. That's where MIT Harbor steps in, with services that go beyond academics to ensure a holistic development. We are here to support you not just in your career, but in maintaining a balanced, healthy life. MIT Harbor is a comprehensive hub for both professional and personal development. We offer tailored services like career coaching, mental health support, and skills development, all designed to seamlessly fit into your busy schedule. So, whether you are navigating a career transition or managing stress, or looking to sharpen your professional skills, MIT Harbor has something for you. Let's take a closer look at some of our key offerings. One of the most valuable services we offer is our alumni mentoring program. This connects you with experienced professionals who have faced similar challenges and emerged stronger. Our mentors are here to guide you, offering insights and advice based on their own experiences. For instance, you are transitioning into a leadership role. A mentor like Mr. Vijay Pandey, AGM in Porsche India, can help you develop the skills needed to manage a team successfully. Imagine having someone who's been there, done that, to help you avoid common pitfalls and also move forward with confidence. The next one is one-on-one counseling sessions. Now, life can get overwhelming when you're balancing both work, studies, and personal commitments. That's where our counseling sessions come in. Whether you need help with stress management, time management, or overcoming procrastination, our counselors provide personalized support to help you stay balanced and focused. Third one is personalized study plans. Staying on track with your studies while working can be quite challenging, but our personalized study plans make it easier for you. These plans are tailored to your work schedule and academic needs, ensuring you meet deadlines without sacrificing quality. For example, if you are a full-time working professional struggling to keep up with your studies, we'll create a study routine that fits seamlessly into your busy schedule, helping you stay on top of your academic goals. Next up are our life skills and coping workshops. Our life skills workshops are designed to help you develop essential skills like emotional intelligence, resilience, and mindfulness. These workshops teach you how to manage stress, maintain work-life balance, and handle difficult situations with ease. For example, in a recent session on resilience, participants learned practical techniques to bounce back from setbacks both at work and in their personal lives. Beyond life skills, we also focus on enhancing your soft skills. Our workshops cover communication, leadership development, teamwork, and conflict resolution, to name a few. Skills that are critical in today's competitive workplace. In our effective communication workshop, for instance, you will practice delivering confident presentations and learn how to navigate difficult conversations with colleagues, setting you apart from the crowd. Also, whether you are trying to switch roles, secure a promotion, or stand out in a competitive job market, our employability skills training is specially designed to help you achieve your career goals. We offer everything from resume enhancement to interview preparation, networking strategies, and career transition guidance. These workshops provide the tools you need to succeed, like refining your resume or acing an interview. In addition to our live services, MIT Harbor also offers a wealth of resources available on your LMS platform. These include self-help guides on public speaking, presentation skills, interview skills, along with self-assessment tools like leadership assessments and anxiety trackers. These resources help you become more self-aware and improve your productivity. To summarize, here's what you'll receive during your time with MIT Harbor. 28 soft skills and life skills training workshops, including placement and personal development. 4 virtual mentoring meetings with an industry expert in your field. 1 personalized study plan tailored to your work schedule. 2 counseling sessions focused on stress management and mental well-being. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our past learners have to say. These testimonials reflect the real impact MIT Harbor has had, helping our learners improve their skills while managing life's challenges more effectively. Now, how do you register? Registering for MIT Harbor is simple. Just log in to your MIT SD portal, go to the MIT Harbor section, and choose the services you need. You can opt for the full suite or select individual services to suit your specific needs. At MIT Harbor, we are committed to your success. Whether you are navigating a career transition, balancing work with studies, or improving your mental and emotional well-being, we are here to support you in every step of the way. Register today and let MIT Harbor be your partner in growth. We offer services designed with your success in mind, helping you build resilience, overcome challenges, and develop the skills you need to thrive in today's competitive world. So, whether you are managing work, studies, or personal commitments, MIT Harbor is here to guide you through every challenge and help you reach your goals, stronger and more empowered than ever. Join us and let MIT Harbor be the lighthouse that guides you to a brighter, more fulfilling future. Maximize your learning journey with MIT Harbor. Register now.